Hi, I'm Tania and this is James. We've been in our home now 6 months and we're very happy and excited at the outcome and the results of the renovation. So having Summit Renovations complete the work and put up with our crazy ideas was the best decision we ever made. Previously, I've built 4 times and one of the times I was an owner builder. But this time with Summit Renovations, it was so much easier because I didn't have any doubt about the tradesmen that were in the house. They were actually craftsmen, they weren't tradies. They were all very skilled at their work and we couldn't fault them. The floor plan of the house changed considerably with the renovation. We kept some of the existing house, so we didn't knock the whole house over. We extended the living areas and went from a 4x2 to a 3x2. We made the bedrooms bigger, converted a living and dining room into a bedroom and obviously the pantry. We extended the old master suite and ensuite. The floor plan has worked really well for us. We're using every area. There's not an area of the house that's not being used, which was what we wanted to achieve.
The way the kitchen's turned out is amazing. Debbie coming up with ideas with Tania, like the pantry with the sliding door, the heat lamp over the kitchen, which everybody comes in and looks and goes, a heat lamp, wow, what a great idea. So much more homely. We've certainly had a lot of people over and a few parties and everybody comes and they just are amazed with the difference before and after.
Our experience with Summit has been good from start to finish, basically. From the first emails I sent out, we then went through the pre-start selection with Lauren, and that was a smooth transition. And what I couldn't source, she sourced for me.
And I take my hat off to Russell, the supervisor, who done an amazing job.
We couldn't have finished this process or actually started the process without Deb. She was on our wavelength. I think the nicest thing was when Deb first saw the house. The pair of us both had a bit of a cry. So yeah, it was good.